Hey everyone, Mrs. Norris here. So what I'm going to show you how to do today is how to embed the set of links for the student digital portfolios into your homepage for open house. So you can see on my screen here, I have sort of a practice open house page with a banner at the top. I'll have my video introduction for the parents in the middle, and then underneath that is where I'm going to add in my list of links to student portfolios. So in your mail, that's not it. In your mail, you're going to have an email from me, probably the same one that this video will come with, a link to this video will come with, where you will have a link to a Google Drive folder. Okay, so with that Google Drive folder, what you're going to want to do, let it load for a second, is you're going to want to click on the down menu or the arrow for the drop down menu, and you're going to want to add a shortcut to your drive. So I'm going to show you that one more time just to make sure that everybody's on board. So I'm going to send you a link. This is a test email to Mr. McGlynn. So it's not going to say don't open it. That was just for him. You will have the actual link to the drive folder. So with this, you're going to click on that link. And then you are going to click on the drop down arrow next to Digital Portfolio 2021. And you are going to add a shortcut to your drive. This will be the easiest way for you to find this later when you are adding the list of links to your home page. Okay. So you'll see in this digital folder, we have the list of student sites broken down by grade level. Now I have that master, I have access to that master site. So as we get closer to open house on Wednesday, I'll be sure to update those links for you on those broken down by grade level spreadsheets. So you don't have to worry about doing any of that. I will do that for you. And with the process that we're doing today, you'll be able to just refresh the page, and any changes or additions that I've made to that link, that spreadsheet, it will update automatically. Okay, so what you're going to do is in your open house page, after you've created the first version of the page, doesn't have to be the final version, but however you want to set it up, once you are ready to add in your set of student links, okay, so I'm going to go to edit. And then what you're going to do is position wherever you want this stuff to go. So I want it to be underneath the video. I'm going to direct the parents to look at that list, and then I want it center aligned. So I'm going to go to my menu bar up at the top, and you should have the option to add something from your Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, make sure that it is your teacher email, because that's who I sent your link to. And select the file. Okay, and then I want to make sure that I select the 8th grade, because I have 8th graders. Now, if you have multiple grade levels, you'll want to do this a couple of times. Maybe you want to set up a table with 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade. But I don't think that that is a situation that we really have to deal with. If it is the case and you need my help with that, please let me know. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to attach the file. And as you can see, now my list is here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Delete that out. Okay, so just to show you again, now I've opened up the grade level that I need. So it showed up first when I was selecting a Drive document to add to this page. That could be a helpful thing if you open up the one that you need. Again, it will show up automatically, but I'm going to select where I want this. I'm going to put my cursor where I want this document to go. And then I'm going to go to the Google Drive LTI. I'm going to make sure that it's my student or my teacher account. Okay. If it's not in your recents, you'll also want to go to My Drive and look for the folder in your My Drive section of your folders, and then you can find the link in there. So again, if it's not in your recent, look in the My Drive section and you'll be able to find it there. Okay, so I've got it. I'm going to click on the 8th grade because that's what I need. And then I'm going to attach. All right, so now if this is all done, I'm just going to move myself over here. This is all done. I can go ahead and save it. And then when I add stuff to this, so for example, I'm going to go back to my 8th grade, and in Miss Clark's section, I'm going to write test just to test this out so you can see. And if I go back to that open house web page, there's nothing there right now. But if I hit refresh, you can see it now says test. Okay, so when I make any changes to that document, when you need to refresh it, just refresh and it will show all the changes that I've made. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful to you. If there's anything that you need me to show you, I'd be happy to help you with that. Just shoot an email and I'll do my best to help you out with setting your stuff up. Good luck.